Hi everyone, I'm Rajiv, the founder of Securium, and I'm thrilled to be speaking here at EdCon 2021. I'm going to be talking about scaling security at Securium. Securium is a recent effort to further improve the state of security of Ethereum applications. It goes without saying that application security is and has always been of critical significance to Ethereum. While both scaling and security have always been hot topics in Ethereum, at Securium, we are addressing the combined challenge of scaling security. Now, what does this mean? With due apologies to Samson for pulling him into this illustration, I believe this aptly represents the scary state of smart contract security on Ethereum today. Receiving such a "you up" message is a nightmare scenario for protocols because it's indicative of an exploit. Perhaps it wouldn't be a stretch to say that without this one excellent white hat security researcher, security of applications on Ethereum would be in more serious trouble. Thank you, Samson. We are lucky to have you cover our back, but this is not sustainable. We need many more Samsons so that we all can sleep peacefully knowing that our protocols are safe without worrying about any more "you up" messages. For this, we need to scale security. This dependence on manual intervention is because despite all the fantastic tools that are being researched and developed over the last several years, smart contract security is still mostly a manual effort and requires considerable expertise and experience in Ethereum, Solidity, and all the innumerable ways in which security can break within smart contracts. It's a long road to codifying these into automated tools that can replace humans with the same level of accuracy and low rate of false positives. I was purposely being dramatic when I said earlier that Ethereum security depends on a single white hat researcher. So how many of them are there, really? Our best guess, looking at the various audit firms that lead security in this space, is a couple of hundred at best. The security pyramid looks like this. We have billions of dollars of value in thousands of protocols whose security is being shouldered by only hundreds of security experts. This clearly is not sustainable. The only solution in the long term is to increase the pool of such experts by orders of magnitude. This requires training people into becoming such experts. I strongly believe that increasing the quantity of talent and the quality of content for training such talent is the path to solving all fundamental security challenges in this space. And this is exactly the first mission of Securium. Securium has just announced the launch of a bootcamp for smart contract security auditing. Epoch Zero is happening from October to December of this year. It's funded by a grant from the Ethereum Foundation, for which I'm extremely grateful. Thank you. We also have 3 top sponsor partners in Consensus Diligence, Sigma Prime, and Trail of Bits, all of whom are leaders in Ethereum security. A big shout out to them as well. Thank you. The goal of this bootcamp is to offer a structured academy-like approach for people with differing skill levels to learn about smart contract security auditing. We want to help people make the leap from Web 2 to Ethereum and from a development mindset to a security mindset to help scale Ethereum security and grow this fantastic community. Participation in this 3-month bootcamp is completely free for everyone thanks to the EF grant and our sponsor partners. Participants will learn about Ethereum, Solidity, smart contract security, auditing techniques, tools, and the rich collection of audit findings from our sponsor partners and beyond. The bootcamp is split into 2 phases, a 2-month learn phase followed by a 1-month audit readiness phase. The 1024 participants in the Learn phase will have reading and video content every week to work with and take a quiz based on that. Quiz scores over 8 weeks will help select 101 candidates for the audit readiness phase, where they will apply their learnings on 4 real-world protocols to get them ready for future audits. The top candidates from this second phase will be invited by sponsor partners for interviews towards different roles as required. In the spirit of Ethereum's open culture, the Securium Bootcamp is welcoming of everyone who is interested. This includes students and professionals, beginners and experts, those who want to engage part-time or full-time, people from Web 2 or those already in Web 3, and folks with backgrounds in security or programming. All are welcome. Really, anyone with a growth mindset who wants to get better at and help improve Ethereum security. The interest has been overwhelming, to say the least. What started as an effort targeting 100 participants has now opened doors to 1024 participants. So we have scaled from 10 power 2 to 2 power 10, an appropriately nerdy start. Overall, this is a very positive and promising launch. A lot of hard work is up ahead, but we hope to keep it fun and learn from each other while we grow this community. Securium aspires to not only scale the people in security, but also the tools and products used. So going ahead, we are planning to have a Bootcamp 101 to continuously onboard beginners onto the Ethereum security space with the Learn plus Audit Readiness phases, and a separate Bootcamp 201 for advanced folks who want to train on the various security products being developed in this space. With 201, security experts add more tools to their arsenal, security vendors get product visibility and adoption, and engaging protocols raise their security bar by allowing experts to train with the tools on their protocols. A win-win-win. Securium would also like to take this opportunity to announce its CARE program for scaling protocol security. CARE stands for Comprehensive Audit Readiness Evaluation. The idea is to engage protocols early on to evaluate their audit readiness by identifying 200 plus common security pitfalls and best practices. This will address low-hanging vulnerabilities in their code and make time for their expensive future auditors to dive into the deeper application logic and economic vulnerabilities. This is a win for the protocols because discovering vulnerabilities earlier is better for so many reasons. This is also a win for auditors because they can now spend their valuable time worrying about deeper security concerns without wasting effort on cleaning up code for basic issues. The Pareto goal is to get 80% effectiveness at 20% of the cost. CARE will address a huge gap in the current smart contract development lifecycle, and I'm very excited about this. The secure software development lifecycle in Web3 has unfortunately been reduced to a 3-step build, audit, launch linear timeline where there is enormous and unrealistic expectations from the audit phase, which is unsustainable. With 2 bootcamps and the CARE initiative, Securium is leading the march towards a shift-left effort where security will be better addressed and significantly improved at earlier stages of the application lifecycle by increasing the quantity, quality, and impact of people, products, and protocols. And this will be done in a concerted manner with the 2 bootcamps working in tandem with the CARE program, so that people and products get to work with and improve security of real-world protocols, while protocols get exposure to aspiring security experts and world-class security tools and services. So a win-win-win and a scale for people, products, protocols. And in this effort, Securium would like to work with all the people, products, and protocols in this space to take a community-centric approach to come together and make Ethereum applications more secure. So if you're a person, product, or protocol interested in being part of this mission, please reach out to me. I would love to hear from you and collaborate with you. And finally, I really appreciate this opportunity to share my thoughts with EdCon and the Ethereum community at large. Thank you.